welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So we working on the Honda. We sold the Honda and now we bought some stuff for our channel. So we ordered a UHF wireless lavalier microphone. So we just opened it up and we haven't opened the briefcase up yet to see what was inside. So let's check it out. Got the instruction booklet right here, and of course it's in Chinese, most of it. It's got a little bit right here in English, so you can go through and figure out what you need. But comes with a small tripod, so you can always use this as a selfie stick or for your microphone and for your phone. So that sits like this, like that, and has the receiver right here, so it's digital, so it shows you what channel you're on and all that stuff. It's got line in, microphone, power, and of course this is your antenna. So it has a wind noise reducer too, and this also produces the sound and it makes it amplified a little bit, so you can actually hear the person talking. So I like that about it. I actually needed that for our channel. This is a little adapter that sets onto here. So we'll get this all set up after we're done, and then we'll show you what it looks like, and then show you that the video quality is a lot better as far as the audio quality, because right now I have an AirPod in my ear, so we're gonna see the difference between this and that. Once we get it set up, we'll do another video on it. But this is another microphone that it comes with there. This is your adapter from the 3.5 millimeter. So if you want to go from a mobile phone cable, it already has it, but we have the iPhone, so we need the lightning port. So we also bought that too. So this also comes with another one. This is the camera cable. So this is for your camera, for if you have a DSLR camera and you want to hook that up to it too. So this is also another part to it. So this would hook up to this would hook up to this part and actually hold your phone. So it's got another piece in here for that. So once we get it all hooked up, I'll show you putting it all together and all that. So this is your USB and your charging cables for it, because it's all charging, so it doesn't take any batteries. And this is your actual piece that sits on this part right here like that. This holds your phone, and then this line out goes from your cable here. So you either pick your mobile phone cable or your camera cable. And this is the other thing that we bought here. We bought the headset adapter made for iPhone. So it's actually got the lightning port, goes to 3.5 millimeter, and then we'll use that piece to hook into here, where it says line in. So, and it's got the volume button and all that. So, and it comes with this nice case, so you can put it all in there, keep it all nice, put it all back in there when you're done, and close it up and take it with you wherever you do your videos or whatever. So let's get this set up and we'll show you what it looks like all set up. All right, so we got it all set up right here. So this is your tripod, this is your mobile receiver, hooks right back here to your phone. This hooks up to this. The reason that we got this and not the iPhone one is because this is much better. It's more flexible, so you won't go through so many plugs. So this works here. You can see blue lights on. This means it's getting Wi-Fi signal to the receiver. So right here, it shows you the channel that you're working on right here, your battery level, and then your frequency, and that right there, so your Wi-Fi. So you can tell how far you're away. Just as far as like the mobile phones, it has that. That's the same thing. So this hooks just like this, and basically you got your phone and your tripod. So you can use it as a tripod. You can set it like this, or you can do this to it and you can hold it as far as that. See, and it doesn't invade the camera right here, so it doesn't block the camera, so that's good. This is your adjusting, so you can adjust it if you want to do offset when it's setting down like this and it's setting like that. So we're gonna we'll hook it up to the tripod that we're taking the camera on or the video on, and this is your microphone. So you got your little clip here, So this clips onto your shirt and this thing right here. So we're gonna set it up, and then we're gonna see if it's a difference between this, the AirPod, and this. So we're gonna set it up on the tripod and we're gonna see the difference. So let's do it. All right, so we got this thing hooked up now. So it's on 502.1. The battery needs to be charged, so we're gonna charge the battery, but we're gonna see the difference. So comment below, let me know what the difference is between what I was using, the AirPod, and our first couple videos, and what this sounds like. So we're gonna post this later on today, and just comment below, let me know what you think. But I think we're gonna do, the next video coming out, we're actually gonna do a little slideshow of the Honda Accord that we had from when we first picked it up. So we're gonna do some pictures, and we're gonna do some time lapse in there, and we're gonna see it from beginning to finish. And then at the end, we're gonna add everything up, and we're gonna actually show you what we spent on the car. So, and what we have into it as far as, you know, labor and how much the parts were and all that kind of stuff. So I think that's gonna be a good video for you guys to watch. So make sure you subscribe, like, share our channel. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motive Garage. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss this next upcoming video. We're currently looking for another car for the channel. So if you checked out JC Motive Garage on Facebook, we got a few cars on there that we're looking at. So go on there, vote, see which one is the best, and whichever one's the best, I think that depending on when we go look at it, we're going to go look in the next couple days. So let me know what you think. Comment below on this video. You can, like I said, you can follow us on Facebook at JC Motive Garage. See what the pictures are. Let us know what you think about those. But I think that's going to be it for this video. And we'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Thanks for watching.